So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. In fact, a mouse for you guys. This is not any mouse, this is Logitech M185. See Logitech branding here, original. The price could be $12 to $20 or euros, depend where you are. So Logitech are popular for mouse and webcam. They are one of the best, I could say. Very flawless performance they have. Here you can see this one is red and this one is blue. So let's open it. Here we have a sticker, some tag. So we have to cut this off. Here we go. To cut off this one. And let's take this off from here. Don't have anything inside, only the mouse. Here we go. Beautiful, very light the mouse. I can feel it at the hand. Very beautiful, simple mouse. Something as a car of Audi. Wow. Here we have sensor on and off button. This is important, so you can save your battery on that if you're not using. AA battery I'm trying. Here we go. Put on button here. You can see the light came and goes. So good. So this is a AA battery. You have the receiver. You have the receiver put. And here is a sensor. Close this one. So good, only one battery and AA size battery. So it lasts more long. Quite good and handy, light for use. Okay guys, so this is unboxing of Logitech M185 mouse. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.